Day trading is the best. What is up, YouTube? It's Nick with Profit Day Trader here, and in today's video we're going to go over the top 5 reasons why I love being a day trader and why you should consider becoming a day trader yourself. Now, number 5 is definitely going to be the very surprising. Trust me, it's by far my favorite, and I guarantee you nobody's going to guess what number 5 is. So stick around to the end. I promise you'll be worth it. Now, if you're new to this channel, we talk nothing but stocks, psychology, pretty much anything that'll help you become a more successful day trader in the stock market. So if you like that kind of stuff, consider subscribing. If you are subscribed, thank you guys so much. I really do appreciate it. I also appreciate if you like this video. It really helps YouTube promote this to other people. So yeah, without wasting any time, let's jump right into it. So number 1, you make your own schedule. It is the best feeling in the entire world. I remember the feeling when I was working a 9 to 5. I didn't mind working, to be honest with you. I always had good jobs. I didn't hate it, but I'll tell you what, being able to make your own schedule is incredible. I take off whenever I want. If I have a personal event, I just take off. I can work my life around the schedule. So if you become a day trader, just understand you're going to have a lot of free time on your hands. Good and bad. Sometimes it gets a little boring, and that sounds crazy. I mean, I spend most of my free time studying stocks anyway. I recommend you doing that as well. But yeah, if you want to take a day off, you take a day off. If you want to have a lazy day, take a lazy day. You don't have, there's nobody tell you not to. So number 1 reason is you definitely have an amazing schedule. I promise you, you can't beat it. Okay, so the number 2 reason why you should consider becoming a day trader, and the most obvious reason, is you make a lot of money. Now, trust me, I'm just starting to enter this phase now. It took a little bit to get here, but I'm making just as much money as I did at my full-time engineering job with none of the stress. I mean, some stress, but none of the hassle, none of the time commitment. So it definitely can be very lucrative if you stick with it in the long haul. Now, in the beginning, it's definitely going to be the roughest. When you first start, you're lucky if you break even. So don't be discouraged if you first start this and you're not really making money. But in the long run, I mean, what other job are you going to make this much money in this short period of time if you do it the right way? So number 2 reason is definitely the money. So the number 3 reason why I love being a day trader is you can do this anywhere. I am not restricted at all where I can trade. I have my laptop set up. I'll also make another video showing you my travel setup, but I go anywhere I want. I can travel. I can trade in different countries if I want to. I'm not stuck to here. I can literally trade anywhere. Of course, my setup back here is a lot better. I like the setup. This is what I'm used to, but my travel setup's fine. I said I'll go another video going over my whole travel setup, but you can do this anywhere. You're not stuck anywhere. I can go my family's house. I can sleep over. I can go on vacation. I can wake up, trade. So there really is the convenience of trading anywhere. It really does even open up your schedule even more. So number 3 reason is it's definitely a mobile business. The number 4 reason why I love being a day trader, and you should consider becoming a day trader as well, is there's no schooling for this. There's no nothing. There's no cost associated to learning this. Just by you being on this YouTube video alone, you're already taking steps to learn this. So what I like about it, it's fair game. There's no advantages. There's no disadvantages to anybody. Everybody has the right to the market. Everybody can make money in the stock market, and you can learn this very quickly if you're studying the right things. So just understand it. It's going to be a marathon. This is something that's going to take a long time, but there's no cost associated. Yeah, of course you can always take courses and training, and I recommend there's definitely some good courses out there. Be careful. There's a lot of bad courses out there as well. But yeah, you can learn just simply by reading books, YouTube videos, webinars, anything. So I think that's an amazing business, because if you want to become a heart surgeon, there's only one way to become a heart surgeon. You're going to expensive schools, hundreds of thousands of dollars in debt. You don't have to go in debt to learn this. You can start learning this for free anywhere, on your phone, your laptop, your TV, anywhere really. So I think the number 4 reason why this is amazing is it's accessible. It's completely accessible. I learned everything I learned off YouTube and books. So and I turned it into a full-time career. So I think that's amazing. I mean, what other job, high-paying job, can you say that you'd have to pay a ton of money to become? Okay, so now the number 5 reason, and you're going to think this is crazy, and it is crazy, but that's the whole point of it, is I love proving people wrong. This business has a bad rap. I've heard it from everybody. My dad, my aunt, my friends, they're all like, oh, you know how scary this is, you know how risky this is? I love proving them wrong. It is the best feeling in the world. Not a spiteful, like a mean thing, but like it feels good when you're doing something that most people can't. That's a good feeling to me. So I love the feeling of, my friends start, the ones that were like ridiculing me and be like, oh, you can't do this. My family members telling me how dangerous and risky it is. Now they're the same ones asking questions. What are you doing? How can you do this? Can you do this for me? Can you help me out? Like, it's an amazing feeling. So the best feeling for me is when you actually start succeeding in this, you're doing something that 90% of the people can't. That's the amazing part about it. And it feels really good because it feels like you're getting ahead of the rest. You feel excited. You're excited to do this. So my favorite by far being a day trader is proving to everybody that it can be done and it is a real business. So that's it for today's video, guys. I really do appreciate you stopping by. If you stuck it through this long, I really do appreciate it. Thank you guys so much. Again, check back. I post videos multiple times a week. So if you're interested in stuff like this, check back. There'll be another video soon. So thank you guys so much. I really do appreciate it. And I'll see you guys in the next one.